Hi friends, good morning. This is RoyalHemu, and so yesterday I came from my home city to Chennai. So I am going now to check my bike position. And from last 6 months we didn't touch. I think in March before lockdown only I went to my hometown. Now I came back to and this vlog is about my bike cleaning, and why it is specially for bike cleaning is because from last 6 months I didn't touch my bike. Before lockdown in the March I went to my hometown. Now I came back to Chennai, so I am going to check my bike condition, and I'll go check and I'll show you the condition. And I think it will start in a single self start. Let's see, we'll go and check. Yesterday I checked the bike, it's completely dirty, so I'm going to clean the bike. So I'll clean and I'll show you the bike. Go there and I'll check my bike. Are you coming? Love battery, guys. This is my bike current position is. So I'm going to start my bike after 6 months. Let's see. Starting now. No luck. No luck. Guys, my bike is not yet started, so I removed the complete my battery set. So I'm going to recharge this battery and then I will try it here. Okay, I'll go there and I will charge it. Okay guys, I'm going out now to charge my my bike battery is already not working, so I have to go there to the battery center and I have to recharge the battery. Let me go there and I will charge it my battery and I will try. You guys already seen my bike battery is not working, so I am going to the bike battery shop and I am go for a charging and I will see how it will work. And today is Sunday. I don't know how. Today is Sunday. I don't know the bike battery shops will be there or not. So I'll go to the bike mechanic and I'll ask for a charge. You already seen my bike battery is not working, so I am going to the bike mechanic shop to charge my bike battery and then I will try to start my bike. I thought it is going to start in the after 2 or 3 starts, but it didn't start. So I think our battery is dead, so I have to recharge it. So I'll go there and I'll charge it. Okay guys, I'll see you at the battery shop. Okay guys, I found the battery charging shop, so I gave it for charging. So he said it will take 1 hour, so after 1 hour I'll come back and I'll show you the battery. Okay, now I'll go home. Okay, I'll go there and get the battery. Fix the battery. Let me check the bike. It should, hopefully it will start.